Bonjour, bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Anana. Et voici Anana qui dit bonjour. Est-ce que ça va bien aujourd'hui, Anana? Oui, ça va très bien. Alors aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre comment composer des phrases et faire des petits livres en utilisant le vocabulaire de la leçon 5.4. So my friends, today we're learning how to make sentences with mini books with the words that we learned in lesson 5.4. Alors, allons-y, let's go. On va tourner la page, les amis. Alors, every page in this book is going to have a different sentence starter. So the first one is vous, and vous voyez. Anna, do you remember what vous means? No, you don't remember? No. So vous, we use vous when you are talking to somebody that's older than you, or you can. It also can mean a group of people. Vous, it could be a group of people, or somebody that's older than you. It probably won't be your friend, because a friend of yours might be the same age as you. So we use vous for people that are older than us. An example is your teacher. You would call her vous. Madame, est-ce que vous allez bien? So vous voyez means you see. So when we talk about you see, we could be talking about an older person than you or a group of people. Alors, vous voyez, and then you end the sentence with this word, une ceinture. Now, we chose this U sound flashcard. Alors, c'est une carte éclair du son U, avec le son U, and you absolutely need to include this little word, une. So if you say, oh, madame, I don't know if ceinture is a masculine or feminine word, well, I'm giving you this information here, une. When you see the e at the end, you know it's a feminine word. So you're going to you start with vous voyez, and you're going to finish with une ceinture. So here is the finished sentence. La phrase au complet. Vous voyez une ceinture. Can you repeat that? Vous voyez une ceinture. You see a belt. And remember, you can be one person, an older person than you, or a group of people. On continue, les amis. Il voit une pelure. Can you say that? Il voit une pelure. So, il here with the S, il means a group of boys or a group of boys and girls. Is this complicated, Anana? A little bit, oui? So, il voit une pelure. So, they see a peel, a banana peel. So, remember that it could mean a group of girls and boys or just a group of boys. It cannot be just a group of girls. So ici on the next page, elle. Now this word, elle with the S, that's girls only. So that's a group of girls only. So there cannot be even one boy in this group. So elle voit un mur. Can you repeat that? Elle voit un mur. So elle, in this case, is a group of girls. All right, so let's go back. Il, with the S, is a group of boys or a group of boys and girls. Okay, and elle is only a group of girls. Okay, keep going. On continue, les amis. Je vois des ordures. Do you remember what je means, Anana? Do you remember? Oui, je means I see. Je vois des ordures. Tu vois des chaussures. Tu vois means you see. Tu vois des chaussures. Oh, and we get to the end of our book. Well, to write the end, you're going to write la fin. La fin. Merci beaucoup, les amis. Thank you so much for joining us today. Hope you learned a lot. We'll see you next time. À la prochaine, les amis. À la prochaine.